A very good morning to y'all and welcome to today's vlog. So I'm up like super early and I got so drunk last night, y'all. Like, I know I made a video, but that was not the half of it. I was so drunk because of Charm. She kept making me take shots. But I am about to run to McDonald's or gym so she can get some breakfast. I'm not getting anything. I'm gonna wait until 11:30 and then I'm gonna go to their like dining and get some really great food. It's so good. But I have to try to get the vlog up again. That's gonna be like an all-day process. I'm going to start as soon as I get back from McDonald's. I'm gonna render it and then I'm going to attempt to upload it. So we'll see, because yesterday it took like 3 hours to get it uploaded, but hopefully it goes faster. Oh. I was able to successfully get the vlog up. It got up really quickly this time. I think it's because the vlog was only like 4 minutes. I made sure I didn't want to make it short because I like to kind of like put everything in, especially when I'm like out with my friends, but I wanted it to actually get up today, so I made it really short, and so I was able to get up, and that's the last vlog that I'll have to post in Springfield. I leave early tomorrow, not like super early, but we do leave kind of early tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about getting the vlog up or anything like that. Like, I'll get that up once I get home. I finally got to go to the pack because they have the best burgers ever. Why she gotta wait? I hate you. I hate you. Y'all some nasty bitches. Anyway, I'm happy now. I can go home.
Okay.
Bitch, put it down. Stop being a child. You think I'm cute? Yeah. Stop. Look what you're doing. How old are you, Allie? How old are you? How old are you? Huh? I'm still gonna beat your ass. Play what you ain't got to say.
I said don't keep it up at home. 6 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Turn around, Maisha. Did you see all the bubbles? Okay. I totally forgot to take the lens cap off. But today has been a super chill day. We leave tomorrow, which we're not leaving like super early, but we are leaving. So I'm not drinking because I want to be on my P's and Q's. I just really want to hang out with my friends and then go to sleep. Wake up, get a good night's sleep finally, because we're going to be back on the road tomorrow for hours. And so, just want to relax. That's all I want to do. And I'm tired. I haven't had a really good night's sleep since I got here. So, it'll be nice if I can actually get some sleep tonight. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog here by bidding y'all adieu and saying thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, comment, like, subscribe if you want it, and I will see your beautiful souls tomorrow. And also, if you're in Springfield, party. I don't know. Alrighty, bye.